You subscribe yet?
How about me?
Where you want?
You need something one.
As morning light you come on me right now, me in a one good mood, you know.
Watcha.
Right now.
Watcha. All my foot get cut, I come through dirty. Look, you can't fix the fence. Fix the fence, man.
Where you come on me yard, it was nice, so where your problem?
To be honest with you, I get a dream last night. You know you don't turn around back.
What kind of dream?
You know you don't turn around smiling. You don't know a few things already. We have to put resources together.
So brother, tell me a dream now.
I say, sister, you know me is a man who me not like certain things. See? My dream say, me dey on one street, midnight, I cook goat belly soup. Eh?
Belly soup.
Yeah. Me did I cook goat belly soup and I say to myself, say, what could have caused me now to dey on street in my dream, I cook goat belly soup? Eh?
A big rate that, you know?
You mean say a big rake? So me I tell you, so what you think? Which one if you buy or if you buy all of them?
All of them we have to buy.
Sister,
all
you know
of
me
them.
stare them like to buy
man.
one and put the energy on one. Cause when one lick, we heavy.
Brother, you have to buy the 8,
Mm.
the 35, and what else?
Roadside, road what, 28? So you go. Oh, so me have a book there, but me you know a book go on with.
You have to buy everything. You can't just put your money on one.
So what make you
so.
buy your number them before and I call me say you buy? You know say me no like how you move?
And not that man, this is something I say now. As somebody me go down the road, go meet. You know understand? And me see CASHPLOT shop, so me just. And see them me lose. See them. Right now,
But them
me
are not
just
good
fed up.
number.
Me feel like just give up on the gambling. Give me them.
Well, if you want to give up on it,
Watch
I
out.
make you buy your bed, you forget. I make you buy your fridge, you forget. Give up on you, and see if I give up on you. You're too miserable when you lose. You have to calm down and relax yourself. And you chat too much. You tell everybody your business until you win. You can't do that. Especially for your Mara friend, what named Pinky. Eh? But if you tell her your business and you know she stay, I bet you one day when she get corrupt on you, you are going to wish you never born. And you call her your friend. I don't know why.
You don't understand, you know.
You understand
You
what?
see when you win, it's a joy, man. You
Shut your mouth when you win. When you lose, same thing, shut your mouth. And nobody like your attitude.
I come in my yard for insult me?
No, me I say, go gamble, because I know you have. You know you have like a money that to go buy the dream. What you say?
Me have in my pocket, I'm ready.
So we're
Me
going to
have
buy big
7 bills, can
35, 8, and 28. So which one I put more money on?
The 8.
The 8, belly.
I love your belly, that's why you dream about goat belly soon.
12 o'clock at midnight? What can go so? Alright, go buy it first. Come. Ready? You sure have money? You have money?
Me have money, what wrong with you?
Like my feet.
You come not tell me here about CASHPLOT or jiggy. Come on.
Make it sound like so make it, you know, want go down there with no bad vibes, you know. So nobody go down there with no bad vibes, boss.
Come on.
I win, we are win.
Slow down, no man.
Come off my road.
You know what me can't walk so fast, like say we're not even late.
What do you mean from not late? Say you want late?
Hello?
Sir.
What's your number then? Number 8, number 35. How are you?
28, one
And 28.
Focus.
Take time with me now, man.
No, but you have a focus, you can't run for the winnings there.
And then me want to, how we go again?
One by one. One by one, each of them. One we can't look for me like you don't understand me as a miss. At time we deal with things, you know. We don't want time pass. That's me I say.
So that would be 600 I'm last money me gain. Me last money.
Top teller. Me see you talking back. I'm showing you in back pocket. You wicked thing say. You Mr. Miss. You ever have one sister who just lie and just love make up story?
So me can come and tell a woman with business.
What mean say me come and tell you one business? What you talk about? I don't understand anything about everything. I just say you love style people.
Hey, me say you go make CASHPLOT, make me follow.
Why ticket them there?
Me have a ticket them. Where you wear it? Why?
Come see. Let me can't see them before I come out. You know, see if you check it. You look for me, so. Okay, guys, now. Ready?
I'm ready.
Thank you very much. Thank you. What?
Are you brother?
Yeah, my brother. I want to make an ask.
So you make him go and deal with your son and go on, so look how you nice, you want nice young girl now. You're not supposed to make him a cheat yourself. Ah, I'm say take it now. You see that sister, you know for you go on, so
Actually, you not understand, you know. Yes, if I didn't get the dream there, me and tell us, me say the man does chigging, just hyping, just like in the on top of the world.
which dream?
Him and his friend, them, I cook goat belly soup on the road.
On the road goat belly soup, so you buy 28. And me see you buy 8. That's true. And when next time you buy again?
35.
Alright. So what time you cook your soup?
12 o'clock.
So how me not hear you buy the 12?
Yeah, really. Show the goat belly.
Listen me. 12 o'clock at midnight, you know. And a normal dream that, you know, a winning dream that, you know. Number 12.
Let me see if I have no more money.
No, but all for your brother come like. So how you miss out the midnight?
Ah, here what? Give me this with 12.
Alright.
Yes, alright.
With 12, you sure?
Come no man, no me and a
Alright.
bit. What wrong with you? On your finger. Alright.
Ah, look here. If you will remember me.
Yeah,
Remember
man.
the CASHPLOT lady.
Alright. Let's say a word. And me tell us, see if you see me brother. Not tell him see
No
me
man, me not like for your brother, no come, me not like I'm a cheat woman. Me a cheat you like say you're my sister.
Alright, thanks. Here if me
Yeah,
win, me got
Alright.
you.
Yeah, me glad of
Sis. Tell her to go more nice.
Now I'm dream it, son.
Let me see me up, so. Ah, boy. This nobody not play.
What play, by the way? Can I not even check you?
Yo, I said to myself, so why is it that thing is so hard to catch? It's like, yeah, say boy, you get a dream, you get a dream, you know? It's not like say you get up and say you guess a number, you get a dream. And the dream will come true. And them always say take it to your dream. You know, understand something, it confused me, man. Me buy 35, me buy 8, me buy 28. I know what man play?
When
12. Me forget about say the bomber, me forget say the man say midnight. Forget that part then.
where's I buy? Where? Me and a chat foolishness. 12.
Yeah, 12 in play. What? That's your ticket them no? That's your ticket them they no good. 35, 8 and sitting we buy. Me when did we buy? Come here tell you to bomb rice. If man just read it just a little bit more, but I get the 12. Midnight. Midnight out of 12. Hmm? Want you? So make you check it the
So you say you catch it 12?
You catch it 12?
No, sir. No, me you buy the same number then what?
Where you go when you tell me say something? Come back, you go buy this. I don't know where I should go.
No, sir.
You go down there?
You feel hot?
No. I don't feel hot at all. I had long time. I walk out the road.
One of my friends call me.
And if you not call you?
Mm-hmm.
So what you want me to left yard?
Yeah.
No, I'm not left my yard yet. So how comes this thing come like a secret?
Just a hot so.
Your phone now ring.
No, I made the call already.
How much you move so Gigi?
Me hot, man, me hot. I something important she want to talk to me about. Me call her when me done. Just go on now.
When you're done?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, sis. Thing good. I have a dream again tonight and see if I can. When I'm late and see if I can dream. I'm going to have 5 flowers. Give me my belly. A belly I play. I bet a belly play later on I do. You go buy, but alright, just let me 5 bills if you can.
After you make me spend my last $700. Buy CASHPLOT and you know play, but you get dream, but just go on. Me not have no money. Me not have no.
Just give me 200. Me know you have 200.
Me not have no.
A $900 you have. You take out the $900 you put back in $200 back in your back pocket. Sis, just take out you set the money and give me $200.
Brother.
Let me go on. Let me go on. You don't want me go on.
Me want
You don't want me go on.
Alright.
Give me $200. Let me go on, man. That's the people like you.
300. Go on.
300?
Yeah, go on. Hurry up now.
Yeah, watch you. This is normal. Everything good, man. Big up yourself, sister. Love is the word. Love is spread it.
Yes. Bingo today. Hello. Good night.
Good night.
Me hurry to see if me not even know if I did lock or nothing.
No, sir.
I'm coming to change the ticket here. The same ticket.
Oh, the number 12.
Mm-hmm.
But you can't change here, so.
What do you mean me can't change here, sir?
Girl, you have to go in and solve. This is a big money, 150,000 all this. Oh, you have to change here, so.
How am I gonna get to do that now?
Well, you have to go wait till the morning if you go change it. You have time. And you see, if me never tell you to buy the 12 would play. So you owe me something now, you know.
He would play or me would win? Which
you
one?
You would win, it no matter. Which one me say something. Just know say anything me say you take.
Alright, you don't have to be so strong.
No, but no, my money me talk about now, you know, because I me make you buy.
Calm down,
So you have to talk.
Mama.
Who you look
Mama.
for?
Calm down, me I looking for my brother they come. Can you have a tendency
Oh,
to
so
just a pop up on me?
So
You
your
don't
brother don't
understand?
know? He don't know.
My brother don't know. Me no want to know.
All the better when get enough of money like my brother nah don't forget. I'm glad that you tell
You
me
see there's
come.
something I know. So let me ask you something now. So true, you tell me say, me fi buy 12. You're entitled to get money out of my money? Eh? You're not obligated to get no money, you know.
Let me see ticket again.
But you see, because of the goodness of my heart.
Let me see ticket again now. You want a chat over there now? A chat you want to have?
No, sir.
Yeah, dear me that give me back a ticket though.
You know, see a little joke me around, man. Want you?
What a joke me around you require you want take it go we are chuck why?
The brother's situation has stressed me out, man.
No worry yourself, man. Just know say just tip me a little thing, you know? One little 20,000 and hat your pocket.
Me got your cover.
I love
So here one.
Come
Tomorrow.
back again here. Eh? Next time you do it again, I'm making tell your dream and then come because it seems like you don't know nothing about gambling and you come here and want gamble. Alright. Making tell you one next dream. Maybe you win next month, you don't want more money? You want broke?
Later, me I go home. So you say a man in. What time
Yeah.
the place open?
The place they start open by 8:30.
Me I did it from 7.
Yeah, nothing wrong.
Tomorrow.
Just come here by 9.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Oh, my money.
Girl, why you call me out of my bed so late for tea?
So me can go and so like.
Girl, come me burn out last night and thing. So I catch up back in time now so me can get figure out work tomorrow morning. And you can call me.
Hello, me and your friend. Me supposed to can call you at 2 o'clock in the morning. You come link me. What wrong with that?
Yeah, but suppose me the catch call.
Well, if you catch cold, no worry yourself. Me can carry a doctor for the prescription, do every test what you need. You don't worry yourself about that. I something me call you about.
The bingo. The money.
Girl, I between me and you do you know. No make nobody know you know. And then say 3 of ears. You understand?
And bush and wall of yeah. Yes. That's true because you make me just.
Me I wonder if I right thing me I do. Me trust you know me and your friend. Long time, me trust you. But guess what? Me don't want you to say nothing to nobody.
Oh,
Not
me.
all, my brother. Him was Sarah. I don't want to know.
How long me your friend for?
12 years now.
Oh, so you don't know me?
Alright, listen here. My bingo in a CASHPLOT. So you tear the paper.
150,000? Mega monster girl! Oh.
Jesus. So here what? I want you mats up for me a morning. But I savvy off you going on. But guess what? You know why I can go everywhere me day. My brother show up. He come like he have track up on me. Me say the man come like he have track up on me. Like he just a watch me pee clock. Pee clock.
Here I go on. Me nah bother go work tomorrow. Me a tell boss say, put on one sick leave and me nah bother come to work tomorrow. Me a go change this for you.
So wait there, after you change, where me for meet you? Cause we can't meet in a public, you know, you carry come give me a me yard.
Me a carry come get your yard.
Girl, be careful, you know. I'm gonna find tickets, sir.
Hey, so how much me I get out there?
$10,000, girl.
10,000?
Yeah.
Oh.
Awa, it's too much.
Me like that. 10,000 good. I can pay me fare and sit down there, that's true.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so tomorrow.
Try put up your paper, good. Just put in your phone back.
And money this, you know. Me no must put up it good. Alright.
Why, me I tell you something, I'm nervous. From day, I'm nervous, bad.
Take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams. there's a line. Sign me up and tell me about the people that you know who are trying to feel alive. Life can get hard, so honey, if you need to
Francine, I look for you. How are you there?
I'm such a woman, I'm asleep.
Oh, Francie, me come here, I'm gonna see you. I walk on.
I did busy, man.
Busy? You work? You find work?
I sit me there, look, boy.
What can I sit here with you if you look boy?
No, man, for one of my friend.
One of your friend, which friend that?
You know my friend, the brown girl, Pinky. You know my friend?
Pinky? That the rebel there? Yeah, put it up.
Now come in confront me again, man. Then must have me jump out of the
I
bed.
can't believe say you tell me say, nah, yo, you can't. Hold on. You mean to tell me say, you never, how many miss that? Hmm? One by now? Sis, me say,
Where is it? No, you say
it's like
sis.
say you're there, but you're not there. Your body there, but the spirit gone somewhere else.
No, man, I'm in hand. Me I listen to you, man.
Yeah, everything good. But me I say, me go back and buy again.
Eh?
So it's like, so me say, if me buy 35, I'm borrow money from my woman, and she will chill me go. Me buy 30, I buy 34, me buy 7, and me buy 27. Come just buy one number short of everything. And then still not play. I dream those worthless. Can't leave. And then, but the thing is this now, so me have to go pay money, none of you have no money can't do nothing. I ain't see the last one, you always want to go, you come like a rat. You always have sitting put up in a one like a area. Catch up.
Well, me don't have the catch off tonight, so you have to go check me tomorrow. Tomorrow. No, man, me beg one of my friend want money and she said tomorrow. So, tomorrow.
Who that?
About 9-10 o'clock tomorrow.
You see a friend you talk about? So she get money from she got you sitting.
Me don't know where she get money from.
Yeah,
Me don't know yet.
But then you say them from hotel. I mean, look at the white man
But
them.
she never tell me that.
Yeah. You never know what's that sense state.
So you know a girl business?
I don't mean no girl, and my woman come tell me and talk business, so when she talk
Why
business.
your woman mix up, sir?
Hey, don't call me one mix up. Don't call me one mix up. Me don't understand why you have, every time you just, it's like, as I name come up in a conversation, so, mix up, dirty, nah, no sense, fool. And them things you pin on for me woman name.
You don't know?
What me say me don't know? Where your man there?
This is what me I say.
Where for your foreign man there, where you every night you're there in a whole of pillow and talk to? Where him there? You hear me I disrespect him? Be a white man we have a phone. Can me find out, say a white man. Yeah, me find out. Who you go there with white man? What kind of style that?
So me ask you something. Your business who me want there with?
Me not busy when I say, you got a white man? White man you got to? No.
And something wrong with that? No man in him.
Nothing wrong with that.
Man a man.
It's alright. That sound like say you look something like you look green card and shit. That's so you look.
So if me a look green card, no better men.
Better than for what? No.
For me and you, cause if me go away, me don't fail for you.
No.
And you can't fail for your woman.
No. Me don't want to fight for so. For so be 5 for coming by the 5 feet. You understand? Me go and yam grass like a goat.
You don't see a corruption?
No corruption, but me I say, you left the good taxi driver who used to carry go up and down on the road.
And that's why you love sweets.
And you know me love sweets, me I say the man will rate you. And you left the man and gone West Park, what, Paris, to Wonderland, hopes and dreams. Everything good, that's your choice.
You can't go and talk, you know. So, what you say you want? What you come over here for?
600 and give up more.
Tomorrow. Me not have it right now.
Go in no problem, she got access to money.
Well, I hear about that.
You know what she
you love use the last. What you do? Thief your man money?
No, yeah. Because she said we go shop to go buy some stuff. And me just went see them think against the boy. What if we win? What if we win? And people that talk about CASHPLOT and all them something. And I said, what if we win? So I'm going on a buy 27. Can't believe it, sir.
And you thief your woman money.
No, not even thief, just borrow it. I mean, go and borrow it.
She knows that she borrow it. Each day you borrow it.
You need to go in back with you. Are you an island? I can give me some island.
Me not have no L. So you run out of luck tonight. You run out of luck tonight. You better go tell her so the money last. Tell her so the money drop. You last.
Not tell her so me lend you money.
Come like you want your warrior woman come on me and kind of problem with me $600.
She not come and she will understand and cuss. She not agree to it, you know. But if me say me last year, me is going to be like that, me can't.
So now you, then I'm me.
Sister, I see you stay, everything good, everything good. If
I
I dirt, I dirt, right?
Me convince you.
If I dirt, I dirt.
If I dirt, I dirt.
Big up yourself.
I don't go over there go call me name.
You can't expect a class.
What's wrong with you? I just not can come in and I can wait for myself and come.
No, I'm dead.
No,
Alright.
I'm good.
Yeah, it's like my sister use half the money. Come on, go down there. I say to my sister, say, yo, why is it that you want money for go buy oil? She want oil, you know? And she take money from me go buy oil, say, boy, if you go back to her sister yard and race one and something. And I say, I don't understand what she stays to do, but she just wicked. And then I try to disrespect you and I call you. Like she has say, boy, she has style you. Say you mix up. Eh? What kind of thing that?
Baby, where do you the money? Me and you know say you can't lie. Call her and tell her. You gamble out the money and you come here and try and tell me like on your sister. And what kind of money? Are you wicked son? Eh? Hello? Me can't do work so hard. And every time me I give you money, I go gamble it. Me can't they go look about people, me a nurse. And if you come in and I give you money, fear they tell lie by your sister and fear they gamble, it don't look good.
Say this, I lie me too.
It mark all over your face, babe. See a lie you tell me. You can't lie. You all a sweat. You're nervous.
No, me come here run, come now. Rain a fall a little bit, come here run, come here rain. See, you get no dream.
What kind of dream you forget?
Normally in a dream, you have me money off your dream.
Every time, let me tell you, most of the time you gamble, you lose. And what a compulsory, you win. Stop gambling. Please, me beg you.
When you like me win, you not happy for me win.
I'm happy for you, yes.
So why you discourage me?
Me not. Me have to discourage you because we lose money.
No, we
you
are
have to the same. You see, each time when you think about gambling, put on your money in a one pan. Ask how much money you make for months. Do that. Try that.
So what if you're dead left for money?
The blood of Jesus against you.
Who use the money? People are getting money for use. Me I always say to myself, say, if you save hard and go and you know what I mean? Then dirty nigga go fight over your dead left and them something. But me understand what you say. We need to save. But we are safe. You know full savings.
What do you mean full saving? The money when me work after me in your office.
Alright, here me go do. You see Monday morning bright and early. Come here have a little work for David and thing. And you see down at the car wash place when I go and like say they never want me to come walk down there. I go down there and walk. And thing, cause bossy call me and say if you come in,
You go work.
Yeah.
Thank you, Jesus. Finally, have little sense.
You come when you gambling money, you can't come to your time.
Ah, Jesus Christ. I think you man come with 28 cents.
What do you mean? You see my sister struggle to go out work a morning time. 9 to 5 now cut it.
Listen.
Just imagine you go to work every week. See? And you sort out things for work. And you pay like $10,000 for taxi fare, gas money just to reach. And for food, sometimes you pay 15,000. And them a look on you for 1 month and give 45,000. That don't make no sense. Better me go and hustle because you know like me I dead for hungry. Food no cook today.
And you know, so your sister now different.
Yeah, because we have blood. You feel be like us sometimes and just relax your brain. And I say people sometimes say mix up in a okay, you always try to fix this and fix that and decipher this and decipher that. Sometimes you relax, man, drink some rum, man, drink a special. You know what I mean? And not tell if you smoke. But just, you know, just drink something and calm your nerves. Enough time of day I drink and me as a babe, see I stay so you say no, like say boy you're afraid of it. Cause you're a nurse. Eh? Guess what? I can tell you something. All if you drink apple juice, water, coconut water, and eat fish, and all them something there. You still everybody still go dead. You understand? So me don't know why you try to put it in our sense, boy. You know? Come on, man. Live a little, man. Look at your face nice and pretty. You do your hair. And tutus. You go through so much pain for do your hair. And you just grow. You have to pull it out next week. Or not even next week, maybe 3 days. Because I'm going to rock at night. I'm in tennis. So I miss your body, you know. Miss your body, man. So I'm last night. I'm touching your dead sleep on me. I pretend?
No, I'm tired. I want to work with you yesterday.
You want to work with you yesterday? The doctor boy that way you work against, you know, you better watch it, you know. Because me come down to the hospital there. Nothing like that.
Just my partner.
You see enough time I see him watch you pass by. Me watch your eyes them, you know.
God.
Your partner in what? Eh? And me your partner.
I know someone mean.
Me no know what you mean or what you say.
I'm at work.
Oh, you work, yeah, but that boy that doctor boy them, I don't trust him. So you make him know say you have a madman. You understand? You're there with a madman. And I don't want to come down there and bring me other madman them down there. You understand me I say? Yeah.
Cuz boy.
I go.
Where the pan?
Let's go and pre some numbers so we can go, you know, really.
Boy,
No
still have
foul,
to
right?
cash plot.
I mean, brother, we can't stop with that. I saw enough time I win and me bingo, you know. And every day I go and still. But remember last time I buy 2 juice and sitting. I them thing there.
Nothing go on for me.
What you mean?
Nothing go on for me. Things slow, so you can't make something go on till something go on.
Nothing really not show the way the sport is supposed to show, bro. Believe me. But I'm making look work and sitting, work at supermarket or pack bag or sitting. What?
Don't know my style at time.
So, what your style? Collecting money?
Yeah, man, we do some things, man, like, and them time that we used to.
Me?
Yeah, man.
You remember your run left me? Eh? You remember say, when done so, and you say, yeah, man, the man not did it. And you claim say you have a key. You remember?
Remember, man.
You remember? So you asking about that something. You know, asking about them sit again, brother. I can't go on no them life not for me again. That me I tell you.
But you say CASHPLOT thing now work out.
Brother.
And every time at Christmas and every day at Christmas.
Yeah, but one day, everything
Christmas
must fall.
come once a time a year.
So yeah, so if you avoid everything then, brother,
No,
me's a live gambler. See? Are them the things that kind of bring the joy to me. When me win, me feel like say, yeah,
you
me I go through something.
Serious thing, yeah, it's not a gambler, it's trying to be a gambler. If you was a gambler, you would have bingo every day.
So yeah, try this, me I say right now.
Try this, but
so
me I say, drop that no man what we go do back.
Brother, me not thief no more, me not thief. More if win honestly. I'm a gambler. Only way if you win quick now, I just a gamble. See? The last time I try, that thing there dial and sitting. You know what come here? Hmm?
Police.
I better when police come there. Soldier come there, like army come there. A good thing say I never film him upon the original thing them. So then give me one day and let me go like a common law thief. But I'm not depend on certain things, man. So you hear me I say you do still. Now for your sister run the cash pot shop.
Yeah.
You know, look at work from she then. That's if you do.
I never did think about no work still, you know.
You know that
But
if you
like
do.
how my sister run the cash pot shop.
Mm.
And I hear shop the regular. Yeah, you're good man go. See if we can scrape up some money.
And some back so yo, move first.
Why fax me attacking
Facts
my
of
youth?
you what kind of facts? Criminal facts. Brother, I'm tell you the top thing that way the man. Are you going? Cause you're forward now, you're number what's number that again? Mount, a big mount you come with 14. Boy. 31 or 21.
Yeah, talk to him and man there charge about cash back number.
Alright, you are going. Can you understand me I saying? I bet you by the end of the day. Link back on the end of the day as you are going. But remember me tell you, talk to your sister and get a little work out there, brother.
I don't really want to work. She don't want to pay me a month of money when I forget.
So much
Cause we
money you
have
forget?
family.
So much money you forget, sir?
Yeah?
Much money you
Forget
forget?
a whole heap of money.
Brother, just go
And
and
a
look at
week
what, man.
time I want to pay.
Alright. Why you not try to invest then?
Invest in
Try to get her to buy some poker box or sitting and you know, say you run them poker box. You
Yeah,
clear them off, you service
me
them.
the same thing up on the
Eh?
gambling thing. Fast money me I talk about. You know, I'm slow money. You
Well,
go
yeah,
in
easy.
there. You know how much money you guys have in there? Take up some money, man, and, you know, and I like a everyday thing. One time thing, man. Just broke your shop.
Wait, a broken shop.
Yeah. I catch my shop, that's enough.
You see, you get somewhere. Alright, you are going. Me link up later and see what I go. Talk to her.
Sure.
Hmm?
Sure.
Just talk to her and say that hours a month she work and say we know you know when to do everything. See?
Alright. Yeah, talking.
Thieving boy, man. You really think me not follow him?
Take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams align. Sign me up and tell me about the people that you know who are trying to feel alive.
I wanna get that shit from.
What one?
You can't just buy one seat and done with your
What make you not buy me? No, tell me why you not buy me. Are you always come here and slow in there now?
So you say I'm going with you. You not gamble today?
No, sir. Me don't know that again right now. Tell you the truth. I'm so young to think about. Honestly, me sit down here and me and mince. Right? And me don't think this is what me really want to do right now. I want to work me and look. Right now, me just confused. I want to work me and pray for look right now. This cash pot
Sister,
gambling
hey,
thing
listen
not
to me,
work.
listen to me. Me are blood. And me are same ma, same pa. See? We think it's same way. That's why we click so sometime. But now I say we click all the time because you're getting the damn feelings too much. What you win? You win something?
Me no win nothing.
You have one money and collect or something?
What make you think that?
You white man, I got send the money?
Why you think that?
Me no know something I fi go on, but you say you don't gamble no more. Me been gambling from what? For about 10 years now. And you come tell me now, so you give up, you quit today. No man, tell me what I go on.
A long time me I think about
Sis,
it.
don't start praying, sis. Don't. Me say, you see a woman that running cash pot shop. Fear, brother. You know if you remember, say me and me get some trouble one time. We are trying to go rob Mr. Chin, but you know walk out and he run and me run. He know. I come say like he want me and he go rob the cash pot shop. Me say, what? So why you want me to go to jail? Why in the jail was mark on me? Jail was print out on his face.
You try to make sure so
Me
you
nah
not
that,
get involved with that, you
Me
know.
just a
Cause that risky, you know,
What you mean say
bro.
it's risky? Me not depend on life, but that's why me gamble because I want, you know what I mean, forward quick. But me not depend on that. But you if you tell me now, what I want with you? You just ease your brain a little bit, fear what go on. Well, talk to my sister and don't be unfair, man. Watch your finger. See that finger there? You see with your finger, so something not go on, sis. You know what tell me?
Bro, just no say. Me just want done with this. Me need to look at work, be a normal person, and stop the gambling thing. You understand what I say? Enough of that, man. Anyways, so you did end up tell your girlfriend boy say you borrow the money, or you lost or something. You remember?
The time say you. The time say you take the money and buy oil. So when she see you and cutting you off for you, nobody feel say it's just because she don't like you, because of that.
Bro,
You
what
understand?
make you always do this to
I
me,
don't do me
bro?
and do this, so you have to save me. So who to save me? Eh? Now you have to save me, so let me save enough time.
So you want to pin everything for me before you deal with your woman and make she...
No, pin me a pin it, it's just the reality of life, I'll say. So you say, don't gamble favor now. That you tell me. So tomorrow morning come check the same thing, same answer.
Morning. See how the little squats them and something do? Like them at work. What happened? Nothing happen, you know. You know from when I want to see you? I want to see you all long and I try to have your number. I didn't look for your number and can't find me. Listen now. I have one brother there. I don't know where me get him from. I know me where mother get him from and his father. Because imagine, ain't it about $600 and me take 600 buy cooking oil? Eh?
Yes.
I believe, don't come
No.
why you have me up, you know?
No, me never believe when you come in my time say I'm telling you use and gamble.
Well, me don't know about the gambling part, but I know me take the 600, I do nothing about with it, but anyways.
You know, so yeah, your brother is same thing.
With what?
Yeah, your brother is same thing, you know. You know, have a little liness about, you know. But anyway, you don't need to have gambling still and still, you know. You see, money when I take and gamble, but you know, I look up pan and check how much when month end come.
I hear what me say now. Calm down. Because guess what? Me know say gambling is an addiction, right? But not true, you have a 9 to 5, you at work. You go just dash in on my face, so the little gambling and my hustling, right? Me have something I sort out, right? I hit me the on my way, I go figure. You understand?
Why you go sort out?
You will hear about it. You gonna hear about it. Me not have to tell you something where I gonna make my life better. Yeah.
You gonna make feel so what happened to your brother? And you always talk about you and everything, you say my life. Anything your brother talk about you know?
So once my life better, my brother life will better too.
No, but you never
Common sense.
No. Yes, common sense would have tell me that. But you use for yourself alone. Your brother would have said me and my sister.
I understand what you say. But once if me not alright, oh my brother go alright.
It's alright, you know for that. Well,
anyways,
where you go? Where you say you go?
Right up the road this summer.
CASHPLOT shop.
Nope. Me done with gambling right now.
You sure?
I done with gambling. Bigger heights.
So fishy boy.
Bigger fish me have to fry.
How you say you bingo?
Bingo? No sir. Me no bingo. You hear what? Call anything what you want call it. But all you have to know say gambling pay off. Later.
Alright, later. Like what the exercise?
Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams align. up and tell me about the people
So, oh yeah, drum so.
who were
I'm
trying
frightened
to
because
feel
me hear your bang your
alive.
slippers. Pan the house.
Oh, pana what me think yeah do now.
What you mean? What me can do so what you think so me not do what I'm not supposed to do? I'm phone on this man.
Oh,
No game me that play and
just want to say game I run a call of the man.
so if I call me up and I know me a call already, my sister or something dumb, you know. Sure. What happened to you alright? How was the exercise?
Exercise the alright if you go exercise too,
One
Yeah,
place me exercise in the other room there. Me no do no other exercise for right now.
exercise good for your
Look how
body.
much sweat and me a sweat, you know. And yeah, you understand? So you need to exercise. Me exercise already. Ah boy, rough.
You could tell me say your sister win the cash pot.
When which cash pot?
Cash pot.
Sister win a cash pot.
Me say your sister win the cash pot. Me see her when me exercise down the road a while ago.
I go where? I go for cash pot shop?
No, she said she a go somewhere, but her life better off now.
Huh?
And she tap, and she done with cash pot.
No man, my sister not go win and tell me. I know my sister. Maybe one dopey jump in the earliest morning and
And she done there say for her life better. So me say what to your brother? He say, yeah man, I'm a brother too.
you sure say you never see one dopey behind her a walk behind her or something?
Me no know.
A
Yes.
hold her mouth and hold her brain. And I'm sister that. So when you come tell me this now, my sister not gonna do that to me. A long time me and my sister go through.
What you say to me? I lie me a tell?
Me no say a lie you a tell, but me I say words them
No,
a lie.
no. Oh, words them a lie.
Me no say it,
Me
me
no
no
lie
say
like
you.
you and your sister.
So you gonna make my sister again?
You and your sister are too liar. And me say your sister win the cash pot. If you say a joke me and me.
No, you know.
So you never know that all along?
She not gonna win and tell, but I first thing me I tell her. Why you keep on repeat yourself every time? Eh? You not gonna work.
Yes, me I got work. Me be there already now. So you want for breakfast?
You know I'm gonna pick you. Give me anything because you know you go already. But make sure you fry planting. Fry planting and about bun up back your hand again. Come on, know what wrong with you fry planting you feel say.
That means me that get born.
Well, if you get born with cash pot, yeah, you get born for true.
Alright. Can you come like you live in a cash pot?
No, but I'm looking hustling, I'm looking juggling. You have to
Go look.
understand that.
Go look 9 to 5 do. And
And-
that's what you go do. Me go tap give you money when me work.
I know you give me money. You must do me like hustling just the same way. Construction and all these things. I'm gonna tell you, me I go down at the car wash place.
Yeah, so how you not gone? Why you sit down
Because
yourself?
me I think about if we go yes or not right now. Me I
Go
try to build a
on.
vibes to go. Give me breakfast, man. Give me breakfast, give me breakfast.
Me go order it. I joke, me I look about you.
Yeah. Ask your sister if nobody win no money out of the shop there. Yeah? Yeah, check and see if they win no money out of the shop. I know if nobody win no extra money or so. Just go check your sister, man. Yeah. Come on, know what I go on for real. Come here, you want a little thing and I don't know if I say go. No, I not do that something, brother. I'm tell you, I'm not broke no shop. What am to you? A jail say want me go, what? Work like a jailbird to you? Go check your sister, bro.
Yo, wagwan now. Oh, my sons are happy. Me happy, man. Thing up here now, you know. Be a money you would. You want to see how me look lavish out. Yeah. What? If me not come to work, come out with you work. Right now, tell me want tell that the boss is if you go chuck off over a bridge. More work. Tell boss he say if you drop into sick leave. Eh? Right now, up my thing up. Anisha, she not done yet. Alright, let's see our word. Just make sure see your gov. I can chat some man, not say some man. Watch out now. Me link you back later here. Alright.
I see that's why you can't answer me call. From morning me a call you not answer. Something come from. Let me get you something, please. How are you in the house?
You know what say? When we go down a CASHPLOT shop, he line long till he can't long no more. But here I go on. You see one of my long time nigga them give me ticket and tell them say, yo, collect it for me. Cause line too long. And that's somebody who me trust. You understand? I worry.
Me have to worry. Why? No, tell me now why me would worry. Eh?
Say not trust me.
Me trust you, but me not know the friend where you give. Me know a friend.
As somebody who me trust. As somebody who me know how long. So if you trust me, believe in him, can me believe in him. So no worry about nothing at all.
Me say one thing when you know money build friend and it make friend. It make friend and it break friend.
So you never hear about me.
So listen what me I say. And I like say 5 grand you know, or 10 grand you know, $150,000 you give next man the ticket.
Tia, listen to me. No boy and no girl can ramp with me. You hear me I tell you? If a boy thief me money right now, you do want know what me do. Oh, so just copy nice.
When we come back to your fee money?
Check me in the evening.
This evening?
Yeah.
Or tomorrow? This evening?
Check me in the evening, yeah.
You know what, me not even check you. Try and make sure it's this evening. Let me see at what time now. How you think my thing a joke thing? After 3 now and from morning if you go collect the sitting, you know. So
Yeah,
here what? You see by 5 o'clock, try and make sure you see there I'm in yard with my money.
Alright. Alright, later here. Cool girl. Yum, like the money.
Lighten up, take me on your magic river.
Imagine.
Tell me all
4:59. I'm thinking I reach it. Call it say at 5 o'clock. Boy, tell you.
Sis. Oh, go.
Nothing on going.
I want to.
There. Boy, you ever they show up at some time?
We been show up at some time. What you talk about time?
Me don't know them a time, you know. You don't have your woman in your yard for massage or something.
No man gonna work. What you talk about?
Oh.
I want to.
Me
Sis,
not so right.
sis, me really want to know if you tap game for sure work. Cause me not understand. Cause me want to buy some number you know. And thing, but me don't know if you can. Just give me 3 numbers.
How much time me I go tell you?
Me now no cash for now. I got the bigger one.
You mean what? Oh. Alright. Me I give you 3. So me give you 3 numbers you go away?
Oh, you expect something?
Me not expect something, but me I take some time off for meds. You understand? Meditate.
Speaking
right
about
now.
time off and meds, you know, so if my woman tell me one sitting this morning, boy, say you bingo. What me I tell you is that impossible. Because you bingo, say you win CASHPLOT and sit. Me I say, you know, I go do them sitting there. Especially if you win, you give me a thing out time.
What make your sister want mix and mingle
I
me?
see him thing me I say to myself.
You see me all that chat foolishness. You're woman. What make your woman want mix and mingle me? Yeah.
Sitting around with your man. You confuse me. I want you.
Stress me, I go through wholly. Me just have meds hard. When me get 3 number them, I just go on. We talk tomorrow.
I'm not ready for leaving.
So you sit down here, sir, all time?
How are you? Expect something or something? See, you make me start praying. You know. What time now?
At 5 o'clock now.
You can at 5 o'clock at 5 to 5. What am to you?
For me time I say 5 o'clock.
Alright. Me 3 number then. Because I want to buy 21, 14, and 5. That's my 3 number. Need 3 more.
Alright, me like 34, 19,
Mm-hmm.
and you can buy 12.
34, 19, and 12.
Mm-hmm.
21, 14, 5, 19, 34, 12. So nice, not true?
Mm-hmm.
Oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord. Alright, you know what I'm going to do? I left your place because obviously you don't really want me when where bones are not provided, dogs are not invited. Not true?
I don't like that, my brother, but
No, not even touch me. Because you run me. You change, man. Something you change.
that's what me and say,
No.
brother. Me I go through one little phase right now. Me just want meds right now. My
What kind
God.
of phase you can want meds right now? You don't smoke. Where you want meds? Hmm? You don't drink. Where you go meds?
Brother, and every
Up my
time,
brother.
and every time, me I go want people around me, you know. No offense, you
And
know.
me you talk to you know?
Me and your brother and
We
sister.
come out I see him vessel, you know? I want if you know that.
Me get
Me
to
say
ya.
no touch me because you disrespect me. You let me down.
I hear one. You see, as of tomorrow, everything will change. Go back to normal.
Tomorrow.
Just give me a little time. Just give me a little time. Please.
Take all the
Your
time
phone
you
a
need.
drop out. Set the phone.
Don't worry about my phone. Make it
Love
drop.
you, bro.
Me no love you today. Tomorrow.
What the girl a day, man? What the girl a day?
Wagwan, my friend.
Wagwan. Na 5 o'clock, me tell them. And after 5 now.
Why, you see in a life, you see when great things about to happen, you have to take a look at time and wait for the man.
Wait.
And where are you? Touch your face, my love woman.
Pinky, where money?
And that me combo. You see, nigga, one emergency come up. When you have to cut same time. So later on I get the money. What you worry about? Me tell you if you start worrying a girl.
Pinky, when my money day. Pinky, a joke, a prank ya. Let's see if I prank ya.
I tell it I want go. Can you get up? Pinky! Have me money there. How are you?
Pinky, me I get nervous. My nerves I get bad. Pinky, me trust you enough. Fi give you the ticket. Fi go collect the money. Understand because me don't want my brother know. At least not yet. And watch it now. You tell me say you go this morning. Today me can't check and you tell me say what? The man in a line. Now the man run Ghana town. Pinky, Lord
Me
have
say-
mercy. Pinky. Let me see if you under your wig. Lord Jesus. Pinky, where my money?
What kind of mad this is? What kind of mad friend me have? See the answer on mine all along? Me don't know.
Answer on mine. Now that you say? You will know if me answer on mine if me can't get my money. Eh? Pinky. In the name of Jesus, Pinky. For my money. Pinky. Me have bills, me have debts, me have things to do. I know you tell me this, you tell me that. Pinky, where the money?
So you don't know say I have bills when I come to my yard. You know say not trust me. And me just a see it. Me say one little emergency come up with the man and he have to rush. Go about him business. So what you want me to do? Call him and say, oh, tell the man to turn back his bus and come back and give me something. You feel weird. Have patience, no man. Have patience.
Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams align. sign me up
Are you see you there?
and tell me
Oh,
Me tell you say me I go to work.
you got work.
Yeah, me I go to work now.
Guess so.
Yeah, we have a local staff award at work.
What kind of stuff forward?
Them will give staff them award today.
Today? You go and go do your thing. Go get your award. So you get award?
No.
Okay, do your thing. Call me when you reach. Yeah?
Yeah, me tell them this.
Don't make the doctor boy there watch you, you know.
What happened to you
What you
and the
mean so harm
doctor
to
boy
what you
there?
say me harm to the doctor boy? I know what the doctor boy up to.
The man not up to nothing. Yeah? You see me here. Later.
Come on.
Aye.
I want me.
Brother, me have something to tell you. I don't know how to tell you, but me have to tell you. Me just hope when me tell you, you can forgive me.
What you mean? So harm to you?
Me come from same mother and same father, right?
Yeah, but sometimes I wonder if I see him father cause you think already.
Promise me say you're gonna forgive me.
Forgive you for what you ain't tell me nothing that I could have want to so you see stress for yesterday. What?
Alright. Now get to the point.
Yeah.
Remember other day when I dream about the goat belly soup? Kinda think me betray you.
Let me betray me. How are you win? You don't win. Me, you go buy, I'm gonna win. We so. Hold on. Alright, I'm a wait.
Alright.
Make I wait.
After we buy the number them, 3 number them, right? One little birdie pinch me and tell me say to buy 12, which is the midnight. So we kinda left out that out of the rake. And the 12 play and put one money pan it, Mega Monster win $150,000. But that on the end. Because me want, alright, me give me friend, right?
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't put that. Don't do that. You understand what I say? Talk your talk. Just talk your talk and stay over there, sir. Come on, if you feel like you talk now and tell me what I'm going to just accept you like a highway. You think a highway depend? You're scared for the toll? Eh?
Alright, listen now.
I don't want you
Me
know
give
for
me
you.
friend
No want
Pinky
Pinky.
to change the ticket at 2 day or 3 day now and now me can't get the money.
For your friend Pinky, you tell you you're a rebel. Eh? Me not tell you you're a rebel. You think I joke, girl, that? Eh?
Brother, listen now.
So
Please,
you
just
get back.
forgive.
Don't. You said don't touch me. Don't you dare do that. You understand what I say? Cause you come talk to me now, $150,000. You teach me woman 6 pills and I buy no oil. When she a cook it in mackerel dry. Cause she said she nah buy no oil. And you have $150,000 and not even give me $10,000. You can't believe you do me that, I swear. Me can't. You know what? Me understand. Cause you're a jacket, you're half a jacket. You're half a jacket.
But me can never you say you are Jackie.
Well, well, call you so then. Anything you want to call
Hi,
it.
hear what, brother?
Cause me look more like my father than you.
Hear what, brother? Listen what me I say. You hit the tin mackerel already. So you don't need to talk about tin mackerel today. How we can resolve this? What step me can take to get back my money?
For your money.
For with money.
Listen, me say, don't touch me. You sure it's a Pinky collect your money? Not sure. If you, when you have to ask her, you think she
Brother,
collect your money?
listen what me I
You
say.
give no, the next thing is you ask her, you give her a ticket.
Me give her the
You
ticket.
put the ticket in your hand with number 12 or 15. Can't believe you. Are you You scam me off and say no money. And you go buy it well bigger than anything else. I know what tell me. And me come here and tell you about the dream. And me, for me dream. If me never lock them too big yaya, you won't hear nothing. I know you make Pinky a rain with me money.
Brother, just listen now. Me not proud of what me do, you know. Me not proud of what me do, but please, me, I beg you, just forgive me. And we are talk about this afterwards. Just come on, we got Pinky now.
You think you don't get?
Me don't know about the word teacher because she not answer her phone no matter what me call her, me private me number.
How much money I get out of it?
$10,000.
Come out of me yard. Come out of me yard right now. Exit. And do the steps and come out. How much me I get?
Alright. 50.
You say me not get 50,000? We'll do have a conversation. That if you get back no money. Which day me pass Pinky yard. And me smell beer seafood, shrimp. I be it's essence them tall like she have one chef in there. You know Tanisha? The chef Tanisha. I down there and pass her 2 times. I say, what Tanisha doing? I say, but she say she a top chef. When you come on to shrimp and then sitting there. So you tell me say you feel like say we give her the money.
Alright.
Mr. Top touch me. I want your finger them.
Brother, me can't go on so with
You
you,
miss
brother.
me go on so?
Me not like how you treat me now, hear what? 50,000 then. Come on. Come on now. Time
Really?
ago.
Hold on. A bad girl, you know. I tell you, you think a joke, girl?
We have to go just approach
I
her
nice.
We just approach her nice.
Well, I feel a friend. Talk to her first and then you come in after.
Yo, wicked. Just come on.
Alright, come. Go along. Go along now. You come, sure. Right now, I'm not supposed to even come down and say anything. Rebel, what go on there?
Where you going?
Thing good?
Mm.
Your sister tell me a thing. So ease up now. You talk now? My sister show me a vibes where she said she gave one ticket to clear up one thing. Joe? So you collect your money?
And that done.
What do you mean you done?
Me say done. How? Me use that.
You see me talk about?
And give peace to my chef too, and that's why I'm Tanisha. How?
So, see me talk about? Yo, give me that phone now, man. Give me the phone now. Give me that phone.
Rasta boy? What you try?
Yes, iPhone 14 that, 14 Pro Max.
Hey, girl, what this? I wanna try.
When me say we try, who are your sister money?
Show you something.
Show you what?
Lift up.
Sister, go ahead, call police. Come on, call police.
Dirty Rasta boy.
You subscribe yet?